Hello everybody, today we're going to learn how to find the volume of a sphere. So here you see we have the formula written out for us. 4 times pi, 4 over 3 times pi times the radius squared. This being the radius of the sphere, right? And then, which could also be interpreted as 4 over 3 times pi times radius times the radius times the radius. Right here. So now that we understand how to find the volume of a sphere, let's go on to our first problem. So here you see the radius of this circle is 2 inches. So formula of this circle would be looked as 4 over 3 times pi times 2 inches cubed, right? So now what we're going to do is we're going to solve this part right here, 2 inches cubed. So that would look like 4 inches 3 times pi times 2 inches times 2 inches times 2 inches. Right? So let's solve the parentheses. So 2 inches times 2 inches times 2 inches equals 8 inches cubed. So let's put that in. 4 over 3 times pi of 8 inches cubed. Okay. So now that we have that, let's solve what 4 over 3 times 8 inches cube is, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to do this part times this. So 4 times 8 equals 32, right? So let's put that in. So it equals 32 over 3 times pi inches cubed. So now that we have that, let's solve 32 times pi. Whenever most people, for calculations, when multiplying something by pi, use this 3.14. So let's do 32 times 3.14, which would equal 148 over 3 inches cubed. Okay. So now what we're going to do is figure out what the decimal form is. So we're going to do 148 divided by 3, which would equal 33.483 inches cubed, rounded to the nearest thousandth. So now that we have solved the volume of this sphere, let's go on to our next problem. So, as you see here, we are given the diameter of the circle right here instead of the radius. Now, the radius is equal to the diameter divided by 2. So in this case, it would be 6 divided by 2 and then inches, right? So 6 divided by 2 equals 3. So the radius is 3 inches. So now that we have that, let's write the formula of this sphere. So that would be equal to 4 over 3 times pi times 3 inches cubed. Okay, so now we have that. Let's write how this would look. So it equal to 4 over 3 pi times 3 inches times 3 inches times 3 inches. Right. So 3 inches times 3 inches equals 27 inches cubed. So let's write that in. 27 inches cubed. Right? So now that we have that, we're going to do 4 times 27, which would equal to 108 over 3 times pi inches cubed. So now what are we going to do? One of our last steps is we're going to do 108 times 3.14, which is what most people use in the calculations when multiplying a number by pi. So which equals, at 339.12 over 3 inches cubed, right? So now for our final step we're going to do is 339.12 divided by 3. So that would equal 113.04 inches cubed. So now that we have solved the volume of this sphere, let's review. What did we learn today? The formula for volume of a sphere is 4/3 times pi times the radius cubed. The radius is 1/2 as large as the diameter of a circle or sphere, whatever, right? So in the next few days, I'll be posting a video of how to find the volume of a cone. Please put in the comments below what else you would like to learn. Like my video and subscribe to my channel. Bye!